Hi, it's Giuseppe, the app nerd behind the Tooltester newsletter. Today I want to check Gemini with you, Google's AI. I have to say that it's better than ChatGPT or Claude in many ways. Also, it has some shortcomings that I want to mention to you. If you haven't subscribed yet for the newsletter, well, you should, because it's packed with app recommendations and productivity tips that will allow you to do more with less time. Let's dive in. I want to see how expensive it is. The fact is that you can get Gemini in different ways. For example, you can opt in for one of the AI bundles they have. They start at $19.99 a month, but you could also use one of the workspace plans, and those come with Gemini integrated too. For example, the starter plan comes with Gemini in your email, and it's only $3.50 a month. But if you want a Gemini further integrated in your workspace, and that is in Google Meet, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and so on, that will set you up at $7 a month. But if you want to use Gemini for free, you can do so with your Gmail account too. No problem there. It's just that the limits are much lower. I won't have time to dive into this, but one of the cool things is that Google is putting a lot of effort into AI. Maybe you've heard of NotebookLM, where you can upload different sources and then chat to that. That would be, for example, you could upload reports on your sales and then ask questions about those reports, or even the geekier platform AI Studio, where you can add prompts and then tune the prompt with all these parameters here. I don't have time to go into this, but just so you know, they exist. I do have to say that the Gemini chat interface is less developed than ChatGPT's or Claude. For example, there's not a way to have projects, something I really use in ChatGPT, or the available gems are not as many as you can find in ChatGPT. However, it works very similar. You add a prompt and then start chatting with Gemini. At the moment, there are two models you can pick, but one of the things I really like is the deep research model. For example, I'm going to ask it to give me a deep research into how I should put my twin girls to bed and then have a good night's sleep myself. Let's see what Gemini has to say about this. As you see, Gemini is thinking, and what I really like is that it creates a plan for the research. So you can actually edit that and change it, adding extra steps that you'd like Gemini to take. And this is really powerful. For example, I'm going to say it's summer here, and I want it to take it into account to give me tips for that. We start the research and it's going to take a few minutes, so go grab a coffee. In the meantime, we can explore the gems available. As you can see, there are not that many, and ChatGPT has way many more, and also a vibrant community. So for that, ChatGPT is much better. As you can see, creating your own Gemini gem is fairly easy. You just add the name, add the instructions, and then upload any files you'd like the gem to have access to. Where I really think Gemini shines is with the integration with the whole Google ecosystem. For example, you can have Gemini in your Gmail and get it to create an answer for you when you get an invite for an after work you don't want. As you can see, it's crafted an answer for me in seconds, so I don't have to type it or think of an excuse. I have to say that the excuse could be better, but it'll do this time. And this is one of my favorite parts of Gemini, because it integrates directly with Google Docs, and that means I can retweet writing or create new paragraphs or ask for modifications to Gemini, but also allows me to create images. For example, we have this newsletter, and let's say we didn't have this image. We just want Gemini to create us one image for the newsletter. So we're going to go into Gemini and then give it a prompt with the exact image that we want to add. We'll think for a few seconds. We have some suggestions that are actually really close to the original image, and we can just insert them. I guess you can see how powerful it is having your AI model integrated with your creative tools. That's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please subscribe and thumbs up. That'll help me loads. And also, if you'd like to register for the newsletter, I'll leave you the link in the description. Have a great day and see you soon.